If you've got a small bathroom and big design dreams, this one's for you. This makeover proves you don't need a huge space to make a serious style statement. Hi, I'm Rachel, Temple Webster's interior designer, and today we're in sunny Bondi Beach, checking out a bathroom transformation that really packs a punch. This compact bathroom got a serious glow up. There are so many materials that have me swooning, so let's take a look around. First up, the vanity. This curved design is a real winner. By getting rid of sharp corners, it really opens up the space, which is important in narrow layouts like this. And I love the open shelving. It's the perfect way to add personality with decor or keep everyday essentials within reach. Okay, so let's talk about these tiles. If you really want to make a statement, then tiles are the way to do it. And check out these stunners. Marble fall tiles laid in a classic checkerboard pattern in deep pink and warm cream create instant impact. And the tumbled finish is so velvety and soft underfoot. On the walls, it's all about texture. Zealage tiles are all the rage in high-end bathrooms. These beauties are handmade, so every tile is different and provides an organic and lived-in feel. And the glazed surface reflects the light, giving the walls a soft, luminous look. And check out the detail here. The choice of skirting tile in the deep pink marble is a beautiful transition from floor to wall. The piece de resistance that ties it all together is the antique brass Tupperware. I'm in love with this material. It offers a warm, rustic look that works beautifully with the natural materials in the bathroom. Other clever design tricks that make this space feel bigger include a frameless shower screen that keeps sight lines open, vertical heated towel rails that are functional for drying without dominating the wall, and a short projection toilet that saves on floor space without sacrificing comfort. With the right materials and a bit of planning, this bathroom shows how even the smallest spaces can ooze style. You can shop all these pieces and more at templewebster.com.au. Tell us what you think in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more transformations and renovation inspo.